Have you ever wondered how to transform your free beauty and wellness webinars from a cost center into a profit center? How to engage your webinar guests in a way that's not only meaningful, but also rewarding for them? Well, there's a revolutionary new tool that's changing the game for beauty and wellness experts around the world. Today, we're going to talk about social rewards-powered webinars. Imagine a world where individuals that participate in your free beauty and wellness webinars are not just guests, but your personal advocates. A world where they're motivated to spread the word about your work on social media, increasing your visibility and reach. A world where the increased traffic will result in immediate advertising revenue, regardless of your monetization status on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, with zero chance of demonetization. Just imagine a world where you own your webinar guest database. Get paid $1 for each free guest participant. Share up to 50% of membership upgrade and hosting revenues. Share 70% of tipping revenues. Get a chance to upsell guests to your premium online courses and related products and services. And best of all, retain 100% of that upsell revenue. That's the world social rewards-powered webinars can help you create. But how does it work? It's simple. For each individual who pre-registers to participate in your free beauty and wellness webinars, $1 is deposited directly into your social rewards account, plus up to $150 for each guest that upgrades their social rewards annual membership package. That's right. With this technology, you can earn $1 for each person that participates in free webinars, plus up to $700 every $1,000 in advertising, membership, hosting, and tipping revenues. With social rewards-powered webinars, you're not just educating and entertaining your audience, you're cultivating a community, you're sparking conversations, you're inspiring action, you're generating a new stream of income. And best of all, you're making your sales lead generation efforts more effective than ever. Are you ready to embrace the power and effectiveness of live and on-demand webinars to create a ripple effect that extends far beyond your immediate network? To inspire action and drive change in a way that's never been possible before? Then it's time to learn more about social rewards-powered webinars. Click the link in the video description to take your webinar marketing efforts to the next level. Start registering more webinar guests with less effort forever.